there, cuties, we're going to show you how to cook.
First step.
Let's
Prepare
2 eggs. 2 eggs. 2. Actually, cook since you want. I'm going to just put it here.
We need to mix it well. And let's cut for this.
It's all-purpose breading mix. It's Tasty Boy breading mix. And cut it up. It smells so good. Oh, Jesus. See the smell there. A little bit. But if you want so many, go on.
You can put so many if you want. We're not going to eat it.
We're going to let our good mother eat this. And you keep stirring it, bit it. Oh! Just beat it! You can add peanut butter
If you want.
if you wanted to. It's Peter Pan. Then get up the stove. Let's go ahead and stove and see it's there fire. Then you will get oil. So it's here. It's oil, Minola. Premium coconut oil. Shake, 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 shake. Then add a little bit here.
Later.
Oh, it's burning.
Okay, go.
We're going to apply right now. Oh.
Stop. Oh my gosh.
Like that much. Then
Let's hit it first.
let it burn out. There. Just the mixture. Yes. Mixing. Then you're going to pour
Then
this.
it's already done. Let's put it already here.
Slightly pour it down. Oh, mamma mia. The breading mix didn't work out. Hindi, siya lang po. Siya lang.